Hello and welcome to Crafting with Ty. Today I'm going to show you guys how to assemble the Air Head template. So I have my Air Head here and I have my template designed, printed, and cut out. It's not perfect, but hey, it still will work. So I'm going to take my Elmer's glue runner, tape runner, sorry, and I am going to apply adhesive to both ends and also on this end. I like to fold in my edges. So I'll fold my edges in and I'll place this directly in the middle. And then I am going to fold in the edges and connect them like so. And then just push it together and slide. Got some of the glue on it. Then you're gonna close the edges. And then what I do is take my scissors. These are pinking shears, but you guys can use the scissors, the craft scissors. Then I crimp the edges with my paper crimper. And then it's complete. The crimper and the cut and the scissors give it the finishing touches, but there you have your Air Head template.